His rear's not locked in.
Rear's not locked?
No.
I have rear lock.
Doesn't have them?
Limited slip rear.
Oh!
Oh,
Stop!
Oh dear.
Reverse.
Stop.
Back up just a little bit.
You need to move it a little.
Little bit further.
Did my front yoke lock?
That's that big rock you was riding.
According to my camera, it was.
Okay. Your camera will lie.
Cause, well, no, because I've noticed this. Whenever they're locked, both the way the picture looks, yeah, it looks reversed from.
Okay, try it again.
Oh, there we go.
He just likes
He does. He loves that rock. I think he's
Let's move out of the way now.
Come on.
Passenger in reverse. More reverse. Driver.
Wanted that. There we go.
Forward.